Huawei sub-brand Honor has already been reported to have sent out invites for a launch event scheduled on April 19, which is when Honor May 10 be unveiled. The press invite had revealed some of the features of the upcoming smartphone, including a dual camera setup, a selfie-focused camera, and AI features. Now, just days ahead of the launch, the Honor 10 was spotted on a Chinese certification site. Most of the specifications of the handset has been revealed in the listing. 4 variants of the Honor 10, COLTL00, COLTL10, COLAL10, and COLAL00, have been certified by TENAA in China, revealing all the specifications. According to the listing, all the variants of the Honor 10 are powered by an octa-core processor, clocked at 2.36 GHz. Since it appears to be a premium handset, it may be a HiSilicon Kirin 970 SoC. All the variants run Android 8.1 Oreo with EMUI 8.1 on top. Also, the Honor 10 sports a 5.84-inch LCD, 1080x2280 pixels, display and is fueled by a 3320 mAh battery. In terms of optics, the smartphone a dual rear camera setup with 24 megapixel and 16 megapixel sensors, and on the front, is a 24 megapixel selfie camera. Also, the smartphone measures 149.6 x 71.2 x 7.7 mm and weighs 153 grams and is currently shown in a silver color variant only. According to the TENAA listing, the difference in all the variants lies in the RAM and storage options. The Honor 10 with model number COLAL10 comes in 4GB RAM, 4GB inbuilt storage and 6GB RAM, 128GB inbuilt storage options. The smartphone with model number CLOAL00 includes 4GB of RAM and 4GB of inbuilt storage. The model number COLTL10 features 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage, and the COLTL00 listing shows that it will be available in 4GB or 6GB RAM options with 128GB of inbuilt storage. Notably, the TENAA listings of the Honor 10 has not revealed the images of the smartphone as of now, but the specifications are similar to the recently launched Huawei P20. However, you can expect some more information in the coming days, as we approach the launch event that is scheduled on Thursday.